So, hello everybody. We're gonna teach you how to make walking robots. So, not only I'm gonna teach you how to make it, I'm gonna teach you how it works, so you can show off to your friends. So, let's go. Let's get a wheel. This is the first point. Connect these two things over here. Trying to make them legs as big as possible. There you go. Perfect. Then add a gyroscope. Always add the gyroscope right before. And then power this thing on. Here, parameters. Let's put it to 150. Here's the second point. I just made a mistake. Let's just fix it. You put it more farther away, you get much more of a walk. You get more steps. More you put it away from it, the more goodie you get. So let's power this on. Oh wait, one more thing. Disable the collisions of the gyroscopes, so it doesn't collide when it walks. Okay, now let's go to edit parameters. Yeah, that's nice. Then all you need to do is add a button toggle. Button toggles are actually really powerful. Just wire them, wire that, and then the two gyroscopes. And because it's off, yeah. But you need to add wiring to your thing. But if you think ahead, good job. This is your main source, that toggle button. So if you power this toggle button on, you'll get something like a walk. But this is the actual one. Oh wait. So these ads. I always get the same ads. Let's just wait until the X button appears. There you go. This is how it works. Yeah, so that's how you build it. And this is the main concept. So if you got this right, make sure to like and subscribe. Please, I need help. Anyways, bye guys.